Hello there. So this car dash cam I bought for £42.99 off Amazon, and I'll put a link below if anyone wants to check it out. So you can see me there opening the box, and it's quite a nice little dash cam. It's not the most expensive one on the market, and I think there's a few that are cheaper, but I always think that depends what you want to get out of it, really. If you want super quality pictures, then you go for the high end, but if you want one that just does the job and just records what you need to record, then this will do the job also. It's quite a flat screen, 4 inches across it, and then they've got buttons on the right hand side for on, off, up and down, and menu. You can see I've put it onto the top left hand corner. You can see me opening the box more and taking stuff off the actual camera. So the main one here on the main screen, I'm going down the menu, and there's a setting there for dual cameras, but it doesn't supply a dual camera, it's just got the front one. And then we've got the loop recordings. I tend to put on 3 minutes, but it's up to you what you want on that. And you can go down to the motion detection, so you can have that on and off. And there's also settings for night parking, sorry, for night vision, and there's a G sensor on there. So you can see me going down it there, put the date and stamp in. As it goes down further there, you've got the parking guard and the car reg number. If you want to put the car reg number in of your car, you just type in the details, and then it'll show up on the recording your reg number of your car on it. If you wanted to put it on, I don't tend to put that on, so I tend to leave it blank, but everyone's different. I mean, they can put it on, so it's a bit more personalised. Then you've got the exposure of the camera, and then going down there, the brightness of the screen, and you've got the auto power on and off. I tend to leave it off at time, and it just stays on then. The only time it turns off is when you disconnect turn the engine off. And you've got the beep sound, which is when you're pressing the button, it's beeping away on you. And you've got the languages, you've got obviously English in there. You've got French, Chinese, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Spanish. Forgive me if I miss any out, but I think that's most of them on there. And you've got the date and time when you're doing the recording on the actual recording of the film. So this is the 1080p, the quick footage from Newport Pagnell and Milton Keynes. So it's a sunny day, and you can see by the footage that it's picking up people quite clearly on it. The background's not too bad, the colours are quite nice, and the image is quite clear for 1080p, and you can see the reg numbers of the cars, and as it gets closer to the car in front, you'll see it a lot more clearer. So for the price, what you're going to get is quite good value. Come into there. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to switch it, so we'll show you the 1080p and the 1296, which is another setting. So the 1296 is on the left and the 1080p is on the right, and you can see clearly there that there's not much difference between the two settings. When I was recording, I tend to use most on the 1080p, which done the job really. I was quite happy with the recordings. I mean, it's not super clear, but it's also for the price you're going to get. I thought it was good enough for having it in the car and just doing it as a backup in case of an accident. So overall, I thought it's quite a good camera. Hope you like the camera, and if you like the video, by all means, click like. Take care.